Graham, did you go on a hike a long way to get down here? Careful, it's slippery. It's slippery. Where are you? You're at Point Reyes. Point Lobos, sorry. What is this? Lots of Wawa. Oh. There goes Graham. Don't go too close to the water, okay? What'd you find? Lots of rocks. All the rocks you ever wanted. Good little hiker.
Mama.
Yeah, you found lots of fun things, huh? Did you see the sea lions?